Yes, Chairman. Thank you very much, Chair, and congratulations, my lady, for your nomination. There's been a lot of discussion around the workload at the Supreme Court, which is leading to the increase in justices at that level. Now, we know the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court from its original to appellate and supervisory. There's a conversation around limiting the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to terminate some cases at the Court of Appeal so that the Supreme Court can manage its original jurisdiction powers amongst other appellate matters. What is your view in terms of limiting the rule or the functions of the Supreme Court to other matters and capping some cases at the Court of Appeal level? Thank you very much.
Very well. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I am aware, or I realize that the load at the Supreme Court has grown bigger with the years. Yes, it would be good if some cases terminate, let me put it that way, at the Court of Appeal, so that the Supreme Court will have maybe less load in that sense. I do not know whether that satisfies your question, or that's all of the question you asked. I think it was 2 in 1. I didn't quite.
Chairman, thank you. Yes, you concur that it is possible to do a cap of or limit the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to an extent. But in your reasonable contemplation, from all the jurisdictions that we've raised, which one do you think comes in handy, taking off the burden at the level of the Supreme Court, knowing that you are coming from the Court of Appeal and have risen through the ranks from magistrate up to the Court of Appeal now to Supreme Court?
I'm of the view that some of the appellate load should be taken off. Maybe cases that begin perhaps in the magistrate courts could terminate at the Court of Appeal, and that will be it. Thank you.